Hey pioneers, Crypto Savoir here. Big news from Pi Network. The Pi node, now called Pi Desktop, is updated to version 0.5.4, and this update brings big technical and functional improvements. The community has been waiting for this. Several bugs reported in the previous version have been fixed. We're talking about issues like mining rewards, automatic updates, and creating block containers. The result, more reliable, more stable nodes, and much smoother operation. Two new features make a big difference. 1. A new open port checking system, which allows for safer and more accurate calculation of node bonuses. This is a big step towards moving mining rewards. 2. And now, Pi Desktop can open approved external links. Pioneers can directly check articles, resources, and news without leaving the app. Access to Pi App Studio is now easier. It's in the top navigation bar, next to Node and Pi Mining, and a bug showing app previews has been fixed for a smoother experience, especially for developers. Finally, Pi Network shared a test project with OpenMind, where Pi nodes were used for decentralized artificial intelligence calculations. This is a big step that shows Pi is no longer just about mining, but slowly becoming a smart and useful Web3 platform for everyone. Like and subscribe to Crypto Savoir so you don't miss any future Pi Network updates.